Feb 20 to 25, 2026 is still buzzing from the eclipse aftershock. Aquarius energy bringing sudden turns, old limits breaking, cash paths flashing open. Saturn-Neptune makes everything feel destined. Someone here just felt their phone vibrate or wallet app refresh for no reason. This isn't random. This is your reading. Money incoming this week. Breathe deep. Feel the timing. Question: why did the universe drop this video exactly when you needed it? What proof shows the cash is coming February 20th to 25th? Deck shuffled slow, channeling faded Aquarius flow plus sudden wins. 5 cards for the one person this hits. First card, past block. 5 of Pentacles reversed, scarcity fading. Past felt cold, money outside reach. Reversed means the door cracked. You started seeing chances. Eclipse cleared some fear. One person knows the night staring at low balance. Second card, current moment, Ace of Pentacles. New seed planted. Golden opportunity right now. Universe gave it. Small win, notification, idea that pays. Someone here just felt their phone buzz or balance thought hit. Ace says it's in your hand. Third card, trigger, Wheel of Fortune. Fate spins, cycle turns, luck lands. Trigger this week. Sudden shift, payout, trade spike, viral moment. Aquarius amps it. One person feels it. Wheel turning today or tomorrow. Fourth card, incoming money, Knight of Pentacles. Steady arrival, reliable cash, deposit, affiliate, content payout. Not flashy, but real and coming fast. One person knows which wallet or app it's hitting. Fifth card, outcome, 10 of Pentacles. Abundance foundation, security, long-term flow, enjoyment. Outcome, this week's win builds the empire. Universe timed this video for you. Proofing cards, 5 rev, scarcity ends. To Ace, seed planted. Wheel, fate turns. Knight, cash arrives. 10, legacy locked. This is your reading. Money incoming, February 20th to 25th. Full tie-in, past lack flipped. 5 rev, meets new seed, Ace. Fate spins, trigger, wheel. Steady money lands, Knight. Foundation builds, 10. Universe sent this right now for you. What the how did this show up energy looks like daily February 20th to 25th. Random notification feels heavy. Idea hits and feels instant right. Gut says check balance now. Wallet thought pops up. Calm certainty, it's here. Shocking signs, money incoming. February 20th to 25th. Phone vibrates or lights up randomly. You think money, app opens itself. Dreams show cash or pings. Numbers spike, 888-1111-555. Unexpected tip/refund hits. Gut says today/tomorrow. Old idea/trade resurfaces with profit. Feeling it's already done. Synchronicities double. Number plus money symbol. Calm peace. This week, post-eclipse dreams vivid about wins. Notification glitch feels like sign. No desperation, just knowing. Universe confirms every few hours. Win lands when you detach. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice. February 20th to 25th. One high leverage move daily. Post content, set trade, outreach. Don't chase, stay cold. Let universe deliver. Affirm 3 times per day. Universe sent this right now. Money incoming. February 20th to 25th perfectly. Log signs, proof builds fast. Cold mindset, hungry, grateful, 0 emotion. Use Aquarius, innovate quick, detach outcome. No doubt, timing is divine. Celebrate small, keep pushing for 15,000 plus. Affirmation, universe sent this right now. Money incoming February 20th to 25th. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows. So it is. If this hit deep, like, subscribe, bell on. Comment, how did this show up to claim? Drop sign or next focus. Thanks for being here. Stay aligned. The universe timed this. Use every second.